你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Xiao Zhan prosecuted the black fans with a tough attitude, and the lawyer said that he would be held accountable to the end. 10 cases will open in court next year. On October 24, Jiuze Law Firm issued a lawyer's statement. Recently, maliciously fabricated false information involving Mr. Xiao Zhan's personal life such as love affairs has been frequently spread on the internet. It is intended to discredit Mr. Xiao Zhan's reputation and induce the public to misunderstand and question Mr. Xiao Zhan. These false information have caused serious trouble to Mr. Xiao Zhan's normal life and work. During this period of time, a large number of follower submissions suddenly appeared, which is by no means simple. Most of them said that the reason for the powder removal was the female agent next to Xiao Zhan. Others said that Xiao Zhan was closed and had no fans in his eyes. All kinds of righteous words and strict words. I just want to say that the rumors stop at the whys. Based on the above situation, entrusted by Xiao Zhan's studio to protect Mr. Xiao Zhan's legitimate rights and interests, severely condemn all infringements. Tell those suspected of spreading rumors, immediately delete and stop spreading false statements, stop all suspected infringements, otherwise, we will continue to collect evidence and hold accountability to the end, and we will never tolerate it. In addition, the law firm also issued a case briefing. Blind box style hacking continues. This time, Sina Weibo users Tudou assassinate little Fei Xiao, Xingyu Yueyue and Chinese paper with nostrils gnawing grass will sue them for infringement. It's reported that it's not the first time that one of the black fans' foul-smelling behavior. He has been sued by other stars, Zhang Yixing, Zhao Liying, before. There is also another ID that appeared in the case newsletter this time, which is very familiar. Nicknamed Guardian Bunny Tao. It turned out to be one of the black fans who was warned in March this year. Of the 4 users in the lawyer's statement at the time, 3 of them immediately cancelled their accounts and ran away. Only this Guardian Bunny Peach was still there, but it was immediately persuaded at that time. All rumors and defamation were deleted immediately. Unfortunately, the evidence collection has already been completed. It is useless to delete. The lawyers at that time have already submitted the evidence to the court to file a lawsuit. After 8 months, new progress has finally been made, which shows that it is not easy for celebrities to defend their rights. But at the same time, it was discovered that the black fan's death did not change, and after the turmoil, it returned to its original state. Continue to spread rumors and slander Mr. Xiao Zhan. Now the real name information has been obtained from the platform in accordance with the law. The law firm will request the court to order the relevant infringer to bear an apology, compensation for mental damages, soothing money and all rights protection costs and other tort legal liabilities. It is believed that in November, the case of Xiao Zhan and Yao Mao's online infringement liability dispute was publicly heard, make netizens impressed. At that time, because too many people flooded into the Beijing internet lawnet, it causes the picture to be very lagging, but the viewing enthusiasm exceeds 1 million people. Now the whole network knows the true face of this girl. The defendant hid his face and wiped his tears several times during the trial, and at first refused to admit what he had done. I also want to shirk responsibility to my relatives, saying that the account belongs to my mother. But in the face of a just trial, all the lies were exposed, and finally changed the account and bought it online. This shows that she is the owner of the account, and all the content inside is posted by herself. At the same time, some media reported that Xiao Zhan sued a number of companies for network infringement. The most recent hearing date is January 25, 2022, and there are currently 10 cases. That is to say, the court will be held in 2 months. I saw some netizens say before, when I went shopping, I found a poster of Xiao Zhan at the entrance of some optical shops. When I was going to buy the same model from the spokesperson, I found that the store did not have Xiao Zhan endorsement brand products. Almost deceived. Whether it's a business or an individual, should be obtained through legal and reasonable methods. The rights of celebrities' portrait and name should not be infringed. Finally, I really advise some people to be good individuals and be good citizens who abide by the law. Don't wait until the trial is crying and crying. Know that the law does not sympathize with tears. The internet is not illegal, and blind box hacking is not to scare people.